Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jen. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and that your Christmas shopping's almost done. If it's not, no worries, no stress, it's all good. If you are here today, I am doing my unboxing of my advent calendar series. I have 3 of them. As you can see, I have my 24 Days of Beauty by Belk, I have my 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea, and I have my Joe and Steph's Popcorn Advent Calendar. And I will make sure to link the playlist above so you can go check out all the videos in this series and see what I've been getting every single day. But without further ado, we're going to start with David's Tea today. We're going to start with day 9, of course, and that is this one right here. Alright, this one is called Minty Mistletoe. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see that. We're going to put that back so I don't lose it. So on the back, like I've said before, it has all the different ingredients on the back. So it's right here. It is a white tea. It is low caffeine. And it looks like it has apple pieces in it, raisins, hibiscus blossoms, some natural flavorings of cranberry and apple, cranberries, cloves, apple slices, cinnamon sticks, mistletoe, white tea, rose petals, cranberry pieces, and stevia extract. I will be putting in a link of me trying them now. Alright. So this is Minty Mistletoe. It's pink. I can't really show you a picture of it without it like dumping, but it's like a brownish pinkish reddish color. It smells really sweet. Ooh. Oh, it's Minty Mistletoe, not Minty Mistletoe. I misread that. I was like, this is not minty at all. I really like the flavor of this one. I can't really explain what it is, but it's really like, it's sweet but not too sweet. I really like it. I think I would actually give this one like a 9 out of 10 actually. It is probably my favorite so far. Alright, so we are going to open up the beauty calendar next. This is what this one looks like. Day number 9 is this one right here. So we're gonna push that in and I got some oil blotting papers. I've never actually used these, and to be honest, I don't really know what they're for. It looks like it helps to absorb excess oil to reduce shine without drying the skin. I don't really have that oily of skin. I have a little bit around my nose, like here, on my like curves of my nose, and like a little bit on my forehead, but not really a lot. So I might not get a lot of use out of these, but I will try them and let you guys know if they're good or not. Alright. So last but not least, we are on the Joe's and Steph calendar. I'm going to open it. Day 9 is right here. Let's try not to destroy the box this time. Alright, this one today is the Classic Caramel. I'm excited to try this one out. I will put a video of me tasting out day 9 and day 3 since I'm catching up since I got this advent calendar on day 6. I'm going to be trying 2 a day until then, but I will post a video now of me trying them. Alright, so I already opened day 4, but day 4 is pumpkin spice, and then day 9 was the classic caramel, so we're going to start with the pumpkin spice. I'm going to preface this with I'm just starting recently to get into pumpkin spice, so depending on how strong this flavor is, I may or may not like this, but if you like pumpkin spice, you probably will, but let's try it. So I don't know if I get pumpkin spice necessarily from this flavor. I definitely get like that fall-y, like the spice flavor, like the allspice type flavor. I don't get necessarily the pumpkin aspect of the pumpkin spice. It's good. It's not my favorite. I probably would give this like a 6.5. Alright, now onto the classic caramel. I think I gave the regular caramel a 7. Maybe? I don't remember what I gave it. But considering I give the other caramel a pretty high number, I have high hopes for this one as well. Yeah, just normal caramel corn. I'd give it like a 7.5. It's good. It's basic. Can't really go wrong with it. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I've been really enjoying doing this series a lot. I know it's a little bit different than what I said I was originally going to do on this channel. And don't worry, we'll be back to doing style videos soon enough. I just really wanted to share this with you guys since this is my first year actually doing an advent calendar. I've had a lot of fun with it though. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys stay safe. Make sure you guys like this video and make sure you comment down below what would be your favorite type of gourmet popcorn to try, whether it be caramel, chocolate, something bizarre like pumpkin spice. Like, let me know what you guys would want to try. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social medias at miss_JennaD_ on Instagram, at Jenna D Miss on Twitter, and at miss_JennaD on Facebook. I have a page. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I love you. Bye.